Hey guys, welcome back to RPA Trucking and Survival. So my first day at JB Hunt. If you're new, hit that like and subscribe. It went really good today, man. It went great. I was only in there for about 4 hours, and the cool part is that my pay for this not even full day, I was in there, like I said, about 4 hours in culmination with the DOT urine test and the non-DOT hair follicle test, and then the videos that my recruiter sent me on my phone via email to watch, which also did not take long for me to do. Those three things I'm getting paid $185 for, and starting my training on the truck with a trainer on Monday. And the cool thing is, JB Hunt pays you for having to work the holidays. I'm going to get this holiday off since I'm going through training. So if you happen to start JB Hunt, over the holidays, know that you're going to have a holiday off. So that's cool, and it's paid. So thank you, JB Hunt, for that. It's awesome. The pay for training is $160 a day for 5 days. They get you home every week because these accounts are all dedicated and regional. I've got a dedicated L Super account. If you've been following along, you already know that. So the next 2 to 3 weeks, if you have under 1 year of experience, JB Hunt does require you to go through a training process again with a trainer on a truck. And I'm telling you, based on my personal experience in watching their videos, their training is far superior to a lot of other companies out there. And talking with a trainee today, it's his second week, and I asked him, I said, hey, so how's your experience? How was their curriculum? Are you satisfied with it? Are they teaching you enough? He looked at me and said, you know what, bro? He's like, this is the best training company that I've ever gone through. And I've got 7 months of experience, the dude has, with 2 other companies. And he says, I finally found the spot where I want to be. He's like, I'm going to be here for a while. This is good. And I thought, man, cool. That lifted up my spirits. I know I'm going to learn more. So great, man. You come to JB Hunt, you got no worries as far as being trained properly. One thing that JB Hunt is going to look for is making sure that you have three clean years of no traffic citations, 5 years without an accident, okay? And if it also depends on the situation. So if it is completely not your fault, disclose all that information to them, to your recruiter and to your hiring manager, and they'll see what they can do. Also, as far as your experience, for most of the accounts, 3 to 6 months of experience is preferred. Now, make sure you take this tip in mind and you hold it there, and don't forget that your experience level, you can apply about a month early. So let's say they need 3 months, apply it about 2 months. Get to know your recruiter a little bit. They know that your time is coming, and it's a total possibility. If you're not happy where you're at, start applying right away. I don't care if you've only been with a company for 3 weeks. Start looking, because they can pick you up early. The company that you desire to work for can totally pick you up early. And they go by when you got your paper license. So for those of you that just got your CDLs, okay, that the school sends over the information to the DMV. At least that's, the way it worked for me, because I'm from California and I went to night transportation for my CDL. So once I got back in California, I went to my CDL DMV in Gardena, and I showed them my certificate of completion. They asked my name, they punched it in, brought me up, and I got my paper license, which is called an interim driver's license, which is your license until your hard copy comes in the mail, which takes about 2 to 3 weeks. That 2 to 3 weeks makes all the difference as far as experience goes, guys. It really does make all the difference. So Had I not started on 923, I wouldn't have been able to come on board with JB Hunt right when I did. So luckily I had saved photos of it in my phone. Save everything, guys. Your whole process, any documents that you get that have to do with your CDL, take photos of it and make a photo album in your phone dedicated just for, I put CDL info. Everything I need is there. All my documents are all in my phone. Okay? So make sure you do that. Make sure you save that. And of course, they will be punching one of these holes. Anytime you go and get an endorsement or anything, they punch a hole in your expiration date on your license. For example, I just got my tanker and doubles and triples in addition to my hazmat, which I already had. And so I'm waiting for another hard copy to come in the mail. And they gave me this paper license until my hard copy comes in the mail. So that's that. Okay, so you already know how much experience you're going to need. As far as the accounts for El Super, they're asking for 3 months of experience. For the 99-cent only account, they're asking for 3 months, for 6 months of experience. So I'm actually going to be moving over to that account, hopefully here pretty soon. That delivers all the way up to Northern California at Sacramento, and also delivers to Nevada and to Arizona. So that's pretty much all the information you're going to need for now. I'll leave all the information, contact information, my alpha code or driver code, which you guys are all probably used to hearing, in the description box below. And if you're interested on coming on over, all the information is there. All right? You guys take care. Stay safe. Smith System. See you all on the road.